U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio had signed a declaration to expedite delivery of approximately $4 billion in military assistance to Israel, lifting restrictions imposed by previous administration. However, the State Department statement did not disclose what arms or other assistance were included in the expedited package. The UK Ministry of Defence has announced new military aid package that will provide Ukraine with more than 5,000 air defence missiles, reinforcing country's ability to protect its infrastructure and civilian population from aerial attacks. Iranian army officially began receiving deliveries of Suleiman 402, a domestically modernized variant of the American-designed M60 tank, boasting enhanced fire control system, thermal imaging and laser rangefinders, marking a significant enhancement to its armored forces. Indian Defence Research and Development Organization has confirmed that indigenously developed Agni 5 missile, tested with multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle, is capable of carrying 4 nuclear payloads, each targeting a distinct location. The MIRV system incorporates advanced indigenous technologies, including miniaturized warheads, precision guidance systems and decoys to confuse missile defenses.